Hi friends, today I'm showing you this mega egg dinosaur figures, toys, 12 different dinosaurs in a jumbo dino egg dig kit. So this dino egg is like kids educational one. It's a complete kit. So you can see all the different dinosaurs, like small plastic ones, that is inside this dino egg that you can break in. The kids can break and then this will comes out. So this comes with a dino cards like a 12 collection, a sheet for like a dino park, some tools, wooden tools to crack and open the dino egg. So these are the small wooden tools like a big hammer, small hammer, and some scrap tool and stuff. So let me just take out this egg. This is the dino park sheet. And this is the dino egg. So this dino egg have 12 different dinosaurs inside it. Maybe I will put a little video later on just to crack and open this dino egg. But for now I'm just showing you the tools, that's the unboxing of this kit. So you can see all the different wooden tools like a brush, hammer, scrape tool, these are the dino cards that comes with it in the kit. This is great for a preschool learning or the primary school or the kindergarten education, just for the toys, and it's always fun as a surprise egg for the kids to crack and open the egg. This is the sheet of the dino park that comes with it, so the kids can play with the different dinosaurs on this sheet. This is the different tool, the photo of that, so that you can see it clearly.